everyone. My name is Adithya, studying in grade 7. Today, let us discuss about machine learning. So first, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a type of AI or artificial intelligence that helps applications predict outcomes or new output values. These machine learning algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values. A good example of machine learning is the Amazon recommendation system. Based on the user's behavioral data, the Amazon recommendation system gives recommendations for the user. Why is machine learning very important? Machine learning is very important because it gives enterprises and companies a view on their customers' behavior, which supports the development of new products or tools. Machine learning can be divided into three branches: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let us learn about them in the upcoming videos. Thank you.